Pretty mean, pretty mean. And if folks want to find out more about you and your music, how can they do so?
You can find me on my website is mauianthony.com, on Instagram at mauianthonymusic, Facebook just Anthony Pfluke, P-F-L-U-K-E.
And we hear you brought some of your merchandise with you. You got some CDs off to the side over here.
Yes, I have both of my albums right over here. We Will Rise and Sing to a Maui Melentama. And one's more Hawaiian music from Maui, and one's a little bit of everything of all of my original music.
Nice. One more time, if you guys can, please. Hano, big round of applause. Welcome back, Anthony Pfluke.
Honolulu. This is like a 100-year-old song by Saul K. Brigg. He wrote this song for all the different beauty of Hawaiʻi, and a song called Hawaiian Cowboy. Stick around, there's a lot more entertainment going on right here. And shout out to my fellow Kani Grille talent search winners, Kahio Lang Ho and Ricky Kamai. You cannot miss them, some real amazing musicians. Thank you so much. Ahuiho, Manamopola Kako. Aloha. Hawaiʻi, elike ko holo ana me ko iuna te ko e kolo I ho a he ana le o te wahina holo ni o puana ni o Hawaiʻi la aloha I ka Hawaii ka e hule le hua hule le hua e la hini o za me ko ni no mata kila bale o o no ila e li ke ka hola ana me ko I o la ni ko ni ho a he bale o e la hini ho e puana ni o no ila a no hai ha ha e hule lo ke la hule lo ke la
One more time, big round of applause for Anthony Pfluke. Unreal, my brother. Again, he has his CDs out to the side over here. I'm sure he'll visit with you guys as well. One more time, please, a nice round of applause for Anthony Pfluke. Right on, Anthony.